we go.
Holy crap.
That's pretty sweet.
That is insane, man.
Stop.
Okay, so it's hovering. Spying on us.
How can I turn it around?
I think you
Now I'm gonna try landing it.
push one up and one down.
I think it's gonna land. Gonna land. There we go, it's landing.
Holy crap, that is really cool. Dude, that is so cool, man.
All right, you want to go for round 2?
See the wind pushing it.
But it's fighting the wind. You can see you can see the wind's trying to push it, and it's like holding its spot.
Okay.
Can you turn it? Like, how does that work?
There you go.
How'd you do that?
Oh, it's staring at us now. Ooh.
Now you take a picture of us. So, can look at it with the camera. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
That is really cool.
You can do pictures and stuff when you're on a hike.
And I think it follows you too. Like, I think it's got a thing that will follow you. Just don't get too close to the tree.
Sounds like a fly.
Like a swarm of bees or wasps.
What else does it do?
I'm trying to figure that out right now. So if
What do we
I
got on here?
press the map, I can see. Oh, cool.
Try going like,
I'm gonna see what's on top of the house.
okay.
Oh, don't go on top of the house. Whoa.
Watch the tree, watch the tree. That is really, really,
Really smooth too.
that's way better than any of the ones I ever bought, that's for sure.
It's way better than the first one I bought, actually.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
And then I
like
can.
that.
You can see this.
Hey, I even want one.
You can move the camera up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's cool.
go high. Like, try going higher, like quite a bit higher.
My
Just go
legs
up.
are shaking.
Go way up. Even higher.
Cool, I can see out there.
Now
Let me
tilt your camera.
turn it down all the way.
Oh, that's wicked.
Hello.
That
Here.
is
I'm
wicked.
gonna bring it down.
You just hit home. Just hit the home button. See what that does.
There we go. Oh, it even brings up the camera too.
And it's landing it like right in the spot where it took off. That is freaking insane.
Okay, Vince.
It landed it right in the spot where it took off.
Yeah. What would you give this thing? What kind of a rating?
100 out of 100 actually. It's
Yeah?
actually very good.
You happy that you bought it for yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah? Best thing you've ever bought?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's the only thing you ever bought beside candy.
You want to take it for a walk?
Hey?
I'm gonna see
Do you want to take it for a walk?
if I can. If I press take off.
No, you're cold.
You know, it's crazy.
The camera stays still, like, even though you're moving it around, the camera stays still, hey? The camera stays steady on us.
Yeah. It, like, if you watch, no matter how much it jiggles around, it holds still on you.
Let me see. I can try controlling it.
Try going down the street a little bit with it.
Just want that guy to jump there. So I'm gonna go.
You doing that?
Yeah.
Your battery's at 85%.
Go until that person's gone. Where I'm gonna go.
Where is it? It's way over there.
Go the other way.
You want to walk down the street a little
Yeah,
bit?
let's walk it down the street a little bit. That is really cool. Holy crap. Watch out for the trees, eh?
Yeah, I'm trying to check. I wish this was to see this.
That is insane. The degree of control that that thing has is just unbelievable.
If I put down a little bit, let me see this. Let me see. So I just pressed the map and I want to do the GPS thing.
Yep, authorized, yep.
Okay. And now I can just see the location where it was and
And the route that you're going. And then keep going with it. Go all the way into the park with it.
I got a little bit down so I don't have to hit that. When I stop, it does that. Whoa!
A little icy, hey?
Does it look cool? Don't touch it. Did it do that?
No. Or, you didn't lift it?
No!
Okay, bring it down a little bit. See what happens. Okay, bring it down again. The wind is just insane.
Oh, do not do that.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch the
I'm
things.
not trying. No. So some of the other ones, they have the sensors on the wings so that the wings don't hit sideways, right?
Oh, okay.
Obviously this one has a sensor on the bottom.
Keeping the front, so they pay attention to it. I don't lose it.
So you won't lose it.
That is the wickedest toy. I'm not kidding, I want one now.
I knew you would. But you don't need one.
No, I don't.
We've thought about that before.
Yeah. It's illegal, but...
Oh!
Yeah, go higher with it. Actually, the wind might take it away. But there's the wind blowing on it, and it's still...
It even showed the location we're at. It showed the landing spot.
Really?
So what happens if you go, what if we
Yeah,
go,
what if-
leave
what
it
if you-
here,
What if you hit home from
hit
here?
home?
Now I still
Return
got...
to, hit return to home?
Yeah, it goes higher. Why is
What the
it
fuck
doing
is,
that?
why is it going higher?
Why the hell is it doing that? So it can go that height.
Where is it on here? There it is. It's turning around. It's going home.
Hopefully it doesn't hit the power lines
What power lines?
behind us.
Oh shoot.
It's going higher.
Let me cancel that.
What'd you do?
Cancel it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's high.
You can't even see it all. You can
Here
kind
it
of.
comes.
Oh my goodness, I can see on here. Look.
Wow.
Wow.
Down.
Look at
Are you
that.
bringing it down?
Yeah. Move, Mom. Move. Dad, you too.
Why did it go so high?
That's what it does.
That's insane.
Good thing I brought it
Well,
canceled.
should we take it back home?
Or do you want to still walk it?
So walk it and see what happens. You don't want to damage
That was really high.
That was a little scary. Like, wow, that's far away. I think it does that to avoid obstacles down below. And then it...
Would it have gone home?
I think it would have taken it back home then.
30?
I think so. You want to turn around?
It's not gonna hit us.
You have 64 gigabytes of It's kind of, it sounds like a swarm of bees coming after us.
I'm gonna bring it down.
Why?
Something so small and the amount of technology inside that is just
Okay, then we bring it down.
crazy.
I want to bring the camera down.
Let's take it over to the
No, wait, stop.
Okay.
I want to get you in the picture.
Oh,
Okay, I want to get in the picture. Say cheese.
cheese.
Did it take a picture? I think it did. Okay.
All right, let's head back. Your battery's almost dead too, I think.
No. Oh, it's coming down to this. It's almost at 50%.
Yeah, it says 60. It's at 60%.
Good thing he's got extra batteries. He'll be able to play with this thing all day.
Like tomorrow.
Well, it's only been 12 minutes and it's at almost 50%.
Yeah. It's supposed to be about 28 or 30 minutes or something like that for battery.
So that's about right
So
then.
it's a good thing that he got the pack with 3 batteries.
To hit home from there. What happens if you hit home from here?
It's gonna go sky high.
No. If you're at the location. There you go.
Cutting the grass.
Perfect. Awesome.
Good one,
Wicked.
too. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Money well spent?
Yep. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Got it.
Now how about you? Look at mom and say cheese. Now hold it. Hold it and show mom. So mom. Now say cheese.
Mom, say cheese.
No, you look at me.
You look at mom.
You look at me.
Cheese.
Don't block your face with this.
He's not. Cool.
I like your new toy, man. I'm a little jealous. I am a little jealous, to be honest.